You know, all the blue snowdrops and that. And all the rubbish. This way, see? See? Come on, this way. Now, we're on a ancient Ipswich motorbike track here. Years ago, this was a well-known motorbike track used by all the bikers. Look, fridges dumped everywhere and that. Another fridge there. That backs onto the gypsy camp. Let's do. But we're coming up here, just have a look around. You know, I'm hitting the motorbike track no more. I admit there's rubbish everywhere, but that's not from the old. Yeah, I could say it was from the old motorbike track. Not the fridges and all that. It's probably been dumped there by somebody. But it's just going to show how much Mother Nature has took back this land. You know, imagine that all tracks going off everywhere. Look, there's nothing to go up here. People do come around. Obviously, the kids from the gypsy camp come over here, don't they? I don't get myself into any aggros with people. But all that rubbish over there. What's that leading to the gypsy camp? We're going this way. Can't see. Some type of old tractor there, look. Old tractor hiding there. No John Deere.